Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonso, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play YouTube videos in the background. On a good day, if you should go to YouTube and play a video, once you lock your phone, that video will stop playing. So this time around, I'll be showing you how you can go about playing a video in the background, which means even if you lock your phone, you can still listen to the audio of that video in your background or in the background. So for you to do this, in case you are confused on what I'm saying, I'm sure you understand the fact that you looked for this video and you are watching this video right now. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. So let me play one video here so that you see what I'm saying. Like I'll play this video and I'll also lock my phone and you see that the video will stop playing. Online and things you can do to get better results. So I just played one of my videos. So in this training section, so I just locked my phone and you can see that the video is no longer playing. So this time around, you get to learn how to make sure the video is still playing even if you lock your phone. So for you to do this, it's very simple. All you need to do is to simply download an application which I'll be revealing to you right now. So go to your Play Store and search for this particular application called the Floating Apps. So search for the Floating Apps on Play Store. Floating app. Can you see? So this particular application you're seeing here, which says Floating Apps Multitask. So you have to click on install. Let's install this application on our phone. So it's now downloading and it's installing already. So let's wait for this a bit. So if you are getting value from my video, if you actually tried this and it worked for you, please and please like this video, drop a comment that it worked for you, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll click on open because I'm done installing. So once this app opens, so you want to click on this arrow down here so that you can move to the next page. Click on the second one. So over here, you are supposed to enable some permissions. So we are going to do that right now. So the first one is for you to grant the application access to your storage and notification. So I'll click on grant now and I'll click on allow. I'll click on allow again, then allow again. So over here, you have to enable drawing over other apps. So I'll click on enable. Then it will bring up where I also enable it. Let me just go down and look for the application. Then you tap on it and enable it right here. Then you go back. Hope you are following what I'm doing. So once you are done with all this, then you want to go down to the arrow and click on next again. Then you click on close. So it means we have successfully installed this application and also enabled all the necessary settings. So for you to be able to play YouTube in your video background, this application is used for so many things. But then I'll be focusing on the purpose of this video, which is to teach you how to play YouTube in the background of your phone, either you're using Android or you're using iOS. So for you to do that, simply go back finally, totally. So you can see that the application icon is showing on our phone right here. So for you to enable YouTube to play in the background, just tap on the icon. Can you see all these in application right here? So all these in applications are the ones that come with the floating app. So you can get to use any of them, and in fact, you can get to like multitask using all this application. Like you can get to like operate 3 different apps at a time, 2 different apps at a time. That's the main purpose of this application. But then we are here to learn how to enable YouTube play in our video background. So for you to do that, just scroll down to where you have YouTube. Can you see YouTube down here? So tap on it. This is opening for us. So can you see that YouTube has opened for us? So this particular screen, can you see it's looking very small? So you can increase it, you can close it, and you can even open other applications. In case you are looking forward to operating 2 or 3 different applications at a time, you can do that. I'll show you briefly after this one. So for you to increase the size of this screen, simply put your finger on this edge right here, then you drag it in or drag it out. So I'll just place my finger Then I'll drag it out. Can you see I'm dragging it out right here? Can you see it's now bigger? You can even drag it in and make it smaller by placing my finger on it again. Can you see? It will become smaller now. Hope you are seeing that. So let's make it bigger so that we get the full view of what we are doing. You can even move it up. If you want to reposition the screen, just place your finger on this blue line right here. Then you can drag it anywhere you want. Can you see that? So let's look for a particular video on YouTube and play. So I'll go to my channel because I don't want any copyright issue with YouTube. So let me make use of my own video, Charles Chino. So right here, my videos are showing. So let me just play one of my videos. So I'll play this particular one. Hello guys, my name is Charles Chino. So I just paused the video. So I'll be showing you guys that it works. You can actually play a YouTube video in the background, even if you lock your phone, even if you lock your phone screen. Do you understand? So I'll play the video now and I'll go ahead and lock my phone screen, and you get to see that the audio is still playing in the background. Are you ready, guys? All right, let me play the video and lock my phone screen now. And in this short presentation, I'll be showing you how to shorten your link, then customize it. Okay, so it is important that you shorten your links before you send it out to people. That way your links get to look more appealing to people. You know, people are usually skeptical. Do you understand? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? That is really amazing. And this feature is not on YouTube application. So this is like a way for you to enjoy this privilege, because most videos out there on how to do this, most of them don't work. Do you understand? People are just doing it for views. But this is an actual way for you to do it and get it work for yourself. So lastly, I said you can learn how to use multiple apps on this particular phone. In case you are looking forward to using like 2 to 3 apps at the same time using this particular app, all you need to do is just go back and click on that icon again. So let me minimize this. Let me reduce the size so I can look for the icon. So can you see the icon right here? So I'll tap on it. Then I'll open another application, so you can see that we can operate 2 to 3 applications at the same time. So let me open calculator. So this is the calculator. Can you see? So right here now, I drag calculator up, I drag this down, I increase the size of this. Can you see? I can be watching a YouTube video and I can also be operating something on my calculator. You can still open a third application if you want another application to show. Let me open countdown. Can you see? 3 different applications are showing. This tool is just so amazing. It is so amazing. So these are the major things you need to know about this application or about these floating apps. So there are so many other functions on the application which you can get to explore. Just go through it on your own and see how you can explore other features and maximize your use of this application. So I believe you got value from this video. I believe you got value. If you did, please drop a comment that it worked for you, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.